EUDR Sawmill ERP system is a comprehensive, end-to-end enterprise resource planning solution designed specifically for the operational needs of sawmills. This robust platform streamlines and integrates all critical functions across the sawmilling workflow, ensuring efficiency, traceability, and compliance, particularly aligned with the European Union Deforestation Regulation (EUDR). The core functional modules included in the EUDR Sawmill ERP system comprise procurement management, raw material stock control, production input management, bandsaw feed, sawn timber production output, kiln drying process management, grading and bundling, as well as sales and delivery management. Procurement management handles the purchase and sourcing of forest timber logs and plantation wood. Ensures supplier data, purchase contracts, and regulatory compliance are properly maintained. Raw material stock control tracks inventory levels of all incoming timber logs and plantation wood. Provides real-time visibility of stock by origin, species, volume, and certification. Production input management, bandsaw feed. Records and manages the usage of logs and wood material as input for the bandsaw production process. Links raw material consumption directly to production batches. Sawn timber production output captures output details from the bandsaw operation. Supports yield analysis and conversion tracking from raw log to sawn timber. Kiln drying process management monitors and manages the kiln drying of sawn timber. Tracking the kiln dry and process sawn timber stock. Grading and bundling facilitates the classification of dried sawn timber according to quality grades. Supports bundling, labeling, and stock categorization for finished goods. Sales and delivery management handles customer orders, sales processing, and delivery logistics. Enables traceable sales documentation and invoicing compliant with EUDR standards. ESOFT Sawmill ERP system is a specialized software solution designed to manage the full manufacturing process of a sawmill. The system includes company setting and master maintenance, configures core master data such as company profile, software tools, customer, suppliers, species, purchase price, sales price, transporter maintenance, and etc. Timber Logs module manages the purchase and inventory of raw materials like forest logs and plantation wood. Sawn Timber module tracks the production process from bandsaw cutting through grading, kiln drying, and bundling to finished goods. Parameter settings defines key operational rules and configurations to support smooth system operation. The ERP system provides full traceability, improves process efficiency, and supports better decision-making for sawmill operations. Raw material management, timber logs incoming. The raw material management in the ESOFT Sawmill ERP system begins with the purchase of either forest timber logs or plantation wood such as rubber wood. The system is designed to handle the unique characteristics and tracking requirements of each material type. Forest timber logs, log-based control. The system records individual logs using unique log numbers. Users input diameter and length per log. The system automatically calculates the tonnage, cubic meters and foot run automatically. System built-in log volume formulas support various suppliers and logging practices, including those specific to different states. To ensure alignment with supplier invoices, the system includes customizable calculation mappings such as decimal point settings, rounding methods and conditional logic and supplier-specific rules. Plantation wood, weight-based control. Typically used for smaller plantation wood like rubber wood. Purchase is tracked by weight, and stock is managed per batch number. Each incoming batch is recorded with accurate weight measurements by weighting machines or formally converting using lorry load size. The origin of the purchase's timber shall be maintained, such as logging information such as compartment, permit number, state of origin. Each timber purchase must include geolocation data as requested by EUDR regulations. System allow to manual input the longitude and latitude in Curtao RSO format. It will be auto-converted to WGS84 format. System also offered import via GeoJSON or Excel with automatic conversion during upload. Timber logs outgoing. Timber logs are controlled individually by log number throughout the system. However, plantation wood stock is managed by weight and batch number. Stock balances are dynamically updated. Back-flush method is applied for plantation wood based on bandsaw output. However, log cutting transactions, logs fed into bandsaw, are recorded by log number. Stock inquiry. The stock inquiry module provides real-time visibility into raw material stock of the timber logs either by logs number or batch number. Users can filter with many options like available stock only, incoming date, species, batch or log number and other custom fields. The sawn timber module within the Sawmill ERP is designed to comprehensively manage the production, tracking, and sale of sawn timber. This module enables real-time visibility, efficient resource utilization, and accurate stock and sales management, ensuring traceability from raw logs to finished goods delivery. The production cycle begins with the bandsaw process. The system records and manages detailed output data from each bandsaw machine. The input parameters are including bandsaw machine number, species, sawn timber size, thickness times width, pieces, length and etc. The system automatically calculates logs recovery rates or yields comparing sawn timber output against logs input consumption. After the sawn timber is stacked, it proceeds to the kiln dry department. The ERP system manages the full kiln drying process with real-time updates and complete traceability. When bundles are transferred to KD room, it will track the KD room no, KD in date and expected KD out date. System will be able to track the bundles in each KD room with expected KD out date for production planning. The sawn timber finished goods module manages the registration of sawn timber as finished goods following the grading and bundling process. Once timber is graded and bundled, it is recorded in the system and stored in the sawn timber warehouse, ready for sales. The module supports barcode label generation for each bundle, capturing key details such as bundle number, timber size, length, number of pieces, and other relevant information for inventory tracking and sales operations. The sales and delivery module handles the dispatch and billing process for sawn timber. Users can select bundles from the registered sawn timber stock using the bundle number. The system facilitates the creation of delivery orders and automatically generates corresponding invoices for billing purposes. This ensures accurate stock tracking, efficient delivery management, and seamless integration with the overall sales workflow. For sawn timber exports to EU traders, the system ensures compliance with the European Union Deforestation Regulation, EUDR. The invoice generated will include a QR code containing geolocation data, which corresponds to the origin of the timber. This same QR code is also printed on the physical labels attached to each bundle for traceability. Additionally, the system supports the export of geolocation data in GeoJSON format, as required by EUDR. This ensures that all exported timber can be accurately traced to its source, fulfilling EU regulatory and sustainability requirements. The sawn timber ERP system is designed to be modular and expandable to meet evolving operational needs. Additional modules can be integrated seamlessly into the existing system as business requirements grow. Currently available and optional expandable modules include 1. Sawn timber finishing and profiling module. Supports downstream processing such as finger joint and S4S, surfaced 4 sides, to produce value-added timber products. 2. E-invoice module. Enables generation and management of e-invoices, ensuring compliance with LHDN requirements. 3. Accounting system integration. Provides connectivity with accounting systems, including eSoft, SQL Accounting, AutoCount, Master Accounting, and others, for seamless financial data synchronization. 4. MES modules, Mobile Execution System. A mobile application module that uses handheld devices to scan QR codes and track stock movement throughout the sawmill, enhancing real-time inventory and operational visibility. 5. User-defined custom modules. The system can be further tailored with customized modules to accommodate specific business processes or reporting requirements as requested by users. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to scan the QR code displayed on screen. You can reach out to us via WhatsApp, and we'll be happy to assist and clarify any doubts you may have.